Hi everyone, this is Ian from EnglishAnywhere.de. This video is going to talk about the British use of the word alright. Now you might know this usually in a sentence of are you alright, which is another way of saying are you okay, how are you? And for that, you're showing concern and people might respond, I'm fine, I'm not so good, I'm great, thanks. But the British also use it as a greeting. So you might just say, rather than saying hello, you might just say to a friend, you alright? To which they might respond, alright mate, how's it going? For this, you wouldn't answer with a I'm fine, I'm okay, you would just say, alright. I hope that helps. Don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram or subscribe to our online school for free weekly content. Bye for now.